Most people consider snake plants just a trendy decoration, but they are so much more than that. Known scientifically as Sansevieria, these plants are incredibly resilient and beneficial. Snake plants are native to West Africa. In their natural habitat, they thrive in dry and rocky conditions. This resilience makes them perfect for indoor environments where care might be inconsistent. They can survive low light, irregular watering, and neglect. One of the most remarkable features of snake plants is their air-purifying ability. NASA's Clean Air study highlighted their power to remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. They convert CO2 into oxygen, even at night, which most plants do not do. This makes them ideal for bedrooms or offices. The plant structure is simple yet striking. It grows upright with stiff, sword-like leaves. These leaves can range in color from deep green to variegated yellow edges. Some even have beautiful patterns resembling a snake's skin. Understanding how to care for a snake plant starts with recognizing its low-maintenance nature. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Snake plants prefer to dry out completely between waterings. In their native environment, they often go weeks without rain, so water sparingly. Potting soil is crucial for their success. A well-draining cactus or succulent mix works best. This prevents water from sitting in the soil and causing root rot. If using regular potting soil, add sand or perlite to ensure proper drainage. Light is another factor to consider. While snake plants tolerate low light, they thrive in indirect sunlight. A spot near a north or east-facing window is ideal. Too much direct sun can scorch their leaves, causing brown spots. Fertilizing snake plants is simple. Use a balanced houseplant fertilizer. Apply it once every month during the growing season, which is spring and summer. In fall and winter, they do not need feeding. Snake plants are slow growers. They might only need repotting every 2 to 3 years. When repotting, choose a pot just one size bigger. This encourages healthy growth and prevents the plant from becoming root-bound. Propagation is one of the joys of owning a snake plant. They can be divided easily. Cut a leaf into sections and place them in water or soil. Roots will develop and you'll have new plants to share or expand your collection with. Snake plants also have cultural significance. In some regions, they are believed to bring good luck. They are often used in feng shui to attract positive energy. Pests are rarely a problem for snake plants. However, if you notice any, common offenders include mealybugs or spider mites. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth or use mild insecticidal soap to treat them. Keep an eye on the leaves for signs of distress. Soft, mushy leaves usually indicate overwatering. Yellowing can be a sign of nutrient deficiency or too much light. Snake plants are perfect for novice and experienced gardeners alike. Their minimal care requirements make them accessible to everyone. They improve air quality and add a touch of nature indoors. So, the next time you consider a plant for your home, remember the unassuming snake plant. It is more than a stylish touch. It is a hard-working, air-purifying companion. In the world of houseplants, few are as forgiving and rewarding.